So you want to learn how to code in Python? Great, we got you back. In this video, we will be tackling the basics of variables, one of the most fundamental aspects of any programming language out there. I am Rafael Dalangin from Coding Catharsis, and I will be your guide today. To start, variables can be seen similarly as a chest. Its primary function is to store information as you progress or manipulate your data throughout your code. This system allows your code to remember information. Now, this is how you declare variables in Python. You type in the desired name of the variable. You may name it whatever you want, but it is generally advisable to choose a meaningful name for you to remember easily as you go deeper. But please be noted that it is case sensitive and that you cannot use space and symbols or start with a number. After that, you type in the symbol equals to tell Python that you want to assign a value to it. This is where the different types of variables come in. In the programming world, naming conventions are being used to format variable names consistently. The most common ones are the following: the camel case, the Pascal case, and the snake case. Now, there are multiple types of variables, but generally, these are strings, integers, floats, booleans, lists, tuples, and more. Strings consist of text information or messages stored in between either single or double quotes. The integer is a variable type that stores whole numbers. They do not have decimal points. Floats are similar to integers, but this type of variable stores numerical values with decimal points. Boolean variables, on the other hand, can only contain two values. It's either true or false. The list is another type of variable. Its primary function is to store multiple values. It is possible to store values with different types in Python, but this is not true for some other programming languages. Tuples act similarly to lists in a way, but they are no longer changeable upon creation. Now you know the basics of variables. In the next Python tutorial video, we'll be talking about the use of the function print. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. If you have any questions or tutorial requests, do type a comment below or join us on our Discord server. You may find the links of our social media channels in the video description. See you and take care.